Did you know that building a high-speed train involves way more than just laying tracks and adding wheels? It's a high-tech, high-precision process that pushes the limits of engineering and design. In this video, we're going to take you behind the scenes of how high-speed trains are built from scratch. From the first idea on a whiteboard to the moment they hit the tracks at over 300 kilometers per hour. Creating a high-speed train isn't just about speed. It's about balancing speed with safety, comfort, durability, and energy efficiency. Engineers face enormous challenges, like reducing air resistance, ensuring stability at high speeds, and building tracks that can handle the stress. Even the tiniest vibration or misalignment could be a major risk at 300 kilometers per hour or more. So, how do they make it work? Let's find out. It all begins with design. Engineers and designers use advanced software to create the aerodynamic shape of the train, often inspired by nature, like the beak of a kingfisher. Every curve and angle is carefully optimized to minimize drag and noise. Simulations help them visualize airflow, heat, pressure, and structural stress. And the inside? It's designed for passenger comfort, noise reduction, and energy efficiency. Once the design is finalized, it's time to choose materials. High-speed trains are made from lightweight but strong materials, like aluminum alloys and reinforced composites. The goal? Reduce weight without sacrificing strength. Each component, from the nose cone to the suspension system, is manufactured with tight tolerances. Precision welding, robotics, and human craftsmanship all come together to assemble the train body and interior systems. But a fast train is only as good as the tracks it runs on. High-speed rail tracks require meticulous alignment and smoothness. Engineers build tracks on solid, vibration-dampening foundations, often using slab track systems instead of traditional ballasted tracks. Power lines, signaling systems, and fencing are installed to ensure smooth, safe, and uninterrupted journeys. Now let's talk movement. High-speed trains use electric motors, often powered by overhead lines. These motors are built into the bogies, or wheel assemblies, providing both propulsion and braking. Regenerative braking systems allow the train to recover energy during deceleration, improving efficiency. All of this is managed by an advanced onboard computer that constantly adjusts power, speed, and safety parameters. Before any passengers get on board, these trains undergo intense testing. Wind tunnels, vibration benches, and full-speed track runs are all part of the process. Engineers test for stability, noise, heat resistance, emergency braking, and crash simulation. Only after passing rigorous safety standards and thousands of kilometers of test runs will a high-speed train be certified for use. With the train complete and approved, it's integrated into the national rail system. This includes scheduling, route testing, Before passengers ever step on board, the train goes through intense testing. Engineers run the train at high speeds under various conditions, heat, cold, rain, wind, to check its performance. Braking systems are tested repeatedly to ensure safe stops from top speeds. Sensors inside the train monitor everything: vibrations, wheel alignment, power flow, and aerodynamics. Only after passing hundreds of tests does the train get certified for public use. Stage 6, Operations and Control, 6:30 to 7:30. Operating a high-speed train is like managing an orchestra. A central control center monitors every train in real time, adjusting speed, signaling, and track changes. Automated safety systems ensure trains maintain safe distances from each other. Drivers, although highly trained, rely on advanced digital dashboards to manage speed and navigation. Everything is optimized to keep the train on time and on track, literally. Even after launch, the work isn't done. High-speed trains undergo regular maintenance checks, sometimes daily. Special diagnostic vehicles scan tracks and trains for wear and tear. Software updates improve performance and fix bugs, just like on your phone or computer. With proper care, these trains can run safely for decades, clocking millions of kilometers. So, building a high-speed train from scratch isn't just about speed. It's about precision, innovation, and teamwork across hundreds of specialists. If you found this fascinating, check out our next video on the future of rail travel, where we explore how new technologies are reshaping the world of trains. And don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions.